Welcome back. Now what I'm going to do is that I'm going to work on the logo of the website. So remember, we have the index here, we have the header.php, and in the header we need to add here an image above the logo. So above the logo I'm going to say image, and then I'm going to say source, and the source is going to be equal to, I'm going to have this logo. I have this URL, so I'm going to be using this URL. You can use any URL you want, and you can copy this URL if you wish to use the same URL that I'm using. So I'm going to copy this URL. Let me zoom out and let me copy it. And then I'm going to zoom in again. And then I'm going to head on over to the header. And in the header, I'm going to paste it in the source. And we need to give this image a class. I'm going to say class. And the class is going to be, let's say, logo image or brand image. I'm going to say brand image. And in the source, in the assets CSS style, I'm going to work on this. I'm going to say dot and then brand image, and I'm going to give it the following. First of all, I'm going to say width. The width is going to be 75 px. Let's say 75, yes. And then let's give it also border radius 10 px. And also I'm going to give it some margins. I'm going to say margin 10 px. Let me now click on file and then save all. And let's refresh and test. So if I refresh, as you can see, it's going to look amazing. It looks amazing, and the good news is that the brand will be included in all pages. If you go to the About page, it's going to be included. If you go to the single page here, it will also be included. And this is the power of using, as I told you, this is the power of using the header file separately. If you use this separately, it will and include it in all pages. Whenever you edit the header, it will be edited in all pages, and you don't have to worry about editing every single page in your project, because as your project grows larger, it's going to be super difficult for you to edit every single page. It would take a lot of time, whereas if you have only one single file to edit, it's not going to take as much time. And again, the design is responsive, so as you can see, the design is going to look amazing.